Struggling with a cough but not sure what kind it is? Let's break it down. First up, a chesty cough. You will feel it deep inside your chest and it brings up mucus. Then there's the dry cough. No mucus, just a persistent tickly irritation in your throat. Whether it's a chesty or a dry cough, Baraka Cofsid's natural formula has got you covered. It is packed with all natural ingredients like ivy leaf extract and bees honey that help soothe and relieve both types of coughs. Say goodbye to that nagging cough. Baraka Cofsid is your natural solution. Try it today and breathe easy.